How to lose your weight in just 2 days. Friends, there is something common between you and me that we all want to get results fast. Many people want to build their muscle fast. Many people wants to lose their weight fast. But I want to ask to you one thing, that if you lose your weight just in tomorrow morning, will you going to value it? Maybe not. That's why it's a journey. But still, there are many ways in which you can lose your weight, or you can see that your weighing scale is moving not in kilos but in grams. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to achieve their dream personality. I give them the tools so that they can build their extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, we all want result really fast. If I ask to you that if you start jogging today, will you get the result tomorrow? Then your answer, of course, you're going to say no. In the same way, if I ask to you that will you get the result if you're going to be consistent for a year for the jogging, then you will say yes, sure. Now let's take an example of a pizza. If I asked you that will you eat a pizza today, will it make you fatty tomorrow? Maybe you can say maybe or maybe not. But if you are going to keep consistently eating junk food for a year, will it impact your weight? Then the answer is yes. So friends, if you want to achieve your weight loss, then it's a journey. And the things which you are going to see as a part of a journey is that you can lose your weight fast. But there is a good point of our body that our body adapts everything. For example, if you walk 30 minutes a day, for the first time you can see that your body is losing weight up to 10 kg in 3 months, 6 months, 7 months as per your body type. But if you're consistently going on a walk, now your body has adapted to the walk. Now it's a normal for that. So that's why what you need to do is that you need to adapt a healthy lifestyle. But still, as I have mentioned you earlier in the video, there are some ways in which you can see your weighing scale is moving not in kilos but in grams within 2 days. The number one thing which you need to do, that you need to quit sugar. Once you're going to quit the sugar, your hormonal going to get balanced automatically, which will show you the impact on a very first day. And your calories are automatically going to down. And as a part of a weight losing journey, you need to eat less than your body requirement, and you are having a fat just because you are consuming more calories than your body requirement and your hormones are imbalanced. The second thing which you need to do, that you need to have protein diet in your food. Protein going to consume more energy to digest. That's why it's going to take energy out of the body from the glucose or from the fats, and not in weeks but in a day you will see. And automatically if you're going to consume the protein only, then you're going to not going to consume the carbs, and carbs are the form of a pure energy. So that's why your calories are automatically going down. This was the second way if you want to see the changes. The third thing which you're going to see, just go for a walk for a half an hour. Walking not only will give you a kind of a feeling of meditation, but it also gives you that now you can have some time for yourself. So usually what I do, that I usually put a headphone on my ear and I go for a walk. And it was a time where I introspect myself, whether it's my topic of diet, whether it's a topic of my business and all. So you can also try this and you can also see the changes into you. Friends, it was all about, and believe me, there is a modern technologies available for you to reduce fat with the help of a food and the workouts. But the thing is this, that if you're going to give a if you're going to give the best things or best food in a person's mouth which can help him or help her out to lose her or his weight, on that time I'm giving you a spoon feeding medicine to lose your weight, but you need to chew it. It means that I'm giving you the way so that you can lose your weight and you can build your personality, you can build your mindset, you can build your everything, but you need to take actions. If you're not going to take the actions, then you're going to see zero results. So that's why take actions. Friends, if you are looking forward to change your life, if you're looking forward for the good mindset, if you're looking forward to how to adapt the reverse dieting, keto diet, intermittent fasting in your life with the form of a modern diet technologies, then usually I help people to achieve their weight with these things, that what is their dream personality and how much their weight want to lose. So if I am connecting with you in any of this, then feel free to contact me. I would love to coach you in terms of your dieting and what are the home-based workouts or what are the gym-based workouts if you want to have in your life to start your health journey. Friends, if you want my future knowledge, if you want to have the future updation, then I have created a group for the especially for those people who has keen interest in maintaining their health or who has keen interest in health and fitness. The link I'm giving in the description. If I'm connecting any of this, feel free to join me. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.